Hi everybody, my name is Aaron. I'm one of the lead gurus here at Helcim, and today we're going to show you how to set up a point of sale system for your retail business. The pieces that are part of the system start with a tablet, then we've got a terminal, a Bluetooth UPC barcode scanner, a Bluetooth receipt printer, and a cash register, and we can also use the Helcim reader for it as well. All of these devices are set up with a various different type of connection. So for example, the UPC reader and our printer are set up with Bluetooth. We have Wi-Fi for our tablet, in this case it's an iPad, and then we've got an Ethernet connection for our terminal. Next, we're going to set up our Bluetooth devices here with our tablet. First, we're going to begin with the UPC barcode scanner and the wireless receipt printer here. So to do this, you have to pair them to your device. In this case, for our iPad, we're going to go into Settings and Bluetooth, and we're going to ensure that they're paired. For pairing the first time, you might want to refer to the instruction manual that came for the devices. After you've set up the pairing for these, you will want to go to Settings in the Commerce app and choose the printer type here. So with this one, it's a Star Micronics Bluetooth printer. We're going to select Star Micronics, and that's our setup for that. The barcode scanner is connected with Bluetooth. There isn't a need to set up an option here in the Commerce app. So next, we are going to connect our Helcim reader to our tablet here. Nice and simple with this one. We're going to connect it to the headphone jack on the side of our tablet, and we are going to select terminal type and Helcim card reader. So next, we are going to be setting up our terminal. So the thing that we have to make sure of is that the Ethernet connection for our terminal is set up to the same router that is giving out the Wi-Fi for our smart device. The first step for you will be to reach out to the Helcim support team, and we will help you set up the terminal with a particular file to ensure that it's going to work for semi-integrated mode. So our next step is going to be to enable semi-integrated mode. To do this, we're going to start by pressing the pound key, 9 for miscellaneous options, 1 for semi-integrated, 1 for enable semi-integrated, and we are going to select on. Now to show that it is in semi-integrated mode, at our home screen, we are going to have welcome, bonjour on the screen. So our next step will be to get the network settings for enabling it in the app on our smart device. To do this, we're going to press pound, 9 for miscellaneous options, 1 for semi-integrated, and 2 for communication type, and 3 for Ethernet. So these settings that you see on the screen are very important. Be sure to write these down because this is what we will be entering in the app on our smart device. So next, we are going to be connecting our cash drawer to our receipt printer. So to do this, you're going to take the cable that's coming out of the cash drawer and plug it into the back of the receipt printer. Next, we're going to be entering in the hardware settings for the terminal to set it up with the tablet here. So we are going to go to Settings, and we are going to select terminal type. So ensure that you have ICT 220, 250 Canada selected. And in our next two fields here, we are going to enter in the information that we got from the terminal. So ensure that you have a unique port number so that you don't cause any conflicts for any other devices that are on your network. So now that we've got all of our hardware set up, let's run through a transaction. So we are going to select the point of sale system. Now during this video, you've probably noticed these beautiful Helcim cowboy hats that we've had sitting here. And I think my teammate Chris would really like one of these as a gift. We have a barcode for each of our products. One isn't good enough. I'm gonna get them both of them. So we're gonna scan our barcodes. And as you can see, they have now been added to our shopping cart. We are going to select checkout, and we are going to choose credit card. It is going to send it to our terminal after we click continue. Now we've got our terminal here where we're going to enter in our card, and it's approved. So we've got both our customer copy and our merchant copy. We are going to print our receipt to our receipt printer here. And I'm going to put both of these copies here into our cash register. Well, there you have it, everybody. That's how you set up your point of sale system for your retail business. Thanks for joining us again for another tutorial video. If you like what you see, be sure to click on the subscribe button below, and we'll see you next time again for another video here with Helcim.